So hi mga Kaps, musta? Sana sa mabuting kalagayan at malulutsong ipangatawan. Another issue. Pagkatapos ng pagpapalit ng Senate President, may issue na naman ngayon patungkol sa mga senador. Batikan sa bukulan. Slash in Senators Pork Barrel Funds Fuel Senate Shake-up rumors. So pera na naman. Pork barrel na naman na issue na to. So tara. Tingnan na natin kung anong issue. A leadership firestorm is reportedly brewing in the Senate over the alleged recent reduction of the Senate pork barrel funds by 3 of their colleagues, Politico has learned. And Cooper said the proposed 160 billion fund for senators get pet projects under 5.7 trillion general appropriation bill was slashed to 60 billion in the final and signed version of the measure 2024 General Appropriate Act. Uy, ang laki. 100 billion ang binawas. Saan pumunta yung 100 billion na yun? Naku, yun na magiging tanong ng mga tao dito. Comment down below ano masabi nyo dito. That meant 20 senators had to make do with roughly 3 billion for their pet projects, a drastic drop from 5 billion to 6 billion they reportedly received in 2023. The first full year of the Marcos administration. So where did the 100 billion go? Yan nga talagang tanong. Saan napunta yung 100 billion na budget na yon? And Cooper pointed to 3 scheming senators as the supposed beneficiaries. Oh! Nako, may 3 senador na pwedeng sa kanila napunta yung 100 billion. Alleged. SS1 allegedly got the biggest chunk of the pie of 60 billion. Followed by SS2 who said to have 30. So yung isa, 10 billion na lang sa pangatlong senator. Naku! Ito na, the remaining 10 billion reported went to the third SS3 who's known to be close to SS1, SS2. Senators disgruntly by the actions of SS1, 2, 3 are no longer surprised by their perceived obsession with money since they're known to have insatiable appetite to excess from their days as members of the House of Representatives. Unlike many of their colleagues who divide their pork barrel funds into SOF, also known as social service, had projects 1, 2, 3 channeling their humongous allocation into initiative where commissions are believed to be largest. Pero grabe, 100 billion pinaghati-hatian ng 3 senador lang. Yung ibang mga senador, 3 billion, 4 billion na lang mahahawakan nila. Grabe, corruption at its finest. In other words, barely any funds have reportedly been allotted for social services from the multi-billion peso pork barrel allocation of SS1, SS2, SS3 because of the money has allegedly been earmarked for building roads and other infrastructure projects. The holier than thou S2, S3 said to be closing rank as they are trying to calm their disgruntled colleagues over the sudden and unfair pork barrel fund reduction. Time will tell if they succeed or their heads will roll. Ang magiging comment ko lang dito is bakit naging ganito yung gap ng hatian para sa mga senador? Saan gagamitin? Sa mga structures? Sana mapunta nga talaga yung 100 billion na yan sa kung saan man nila gagamitin. Wag sana mabulsa. Pero bakit unfair? Ano ang nangyari? Bakit ganito naging basihan ng hatian? Ano ang ginawa nila? Yan ang katanungan. Yan ang dapat natin malaman. Comment down below. Ano pa ba ang dapat natin malaman? Ang dami, di ba?